This will be an unboxing of the LG V60 ThinQ. Take a quick look at the box. Sealed up right there. Some information on the bottom and a sticker right there, 5G. LG Life's Good. Bottom of the box, check that out. We'll go ahead and make an incision. And what does it say? Do not accept if it's broken or whatever. Well, I'm gonna break it because I want to see the phone. Let's go. And then you're greeted with a LG cloth, which I think is pretty funny. And then here's the device itself. Whoa. How do I get it out? Get it out. Here's the phone. Woo. Nice and white, 5G right there. Nice, we'll put the phone to the side. And then what do we get in the box? We get this little card right here, LG's promise to you, etc. Pause the video if you want to read that. This is the SIM ejection tool, and what's that, SD card or pamphlets and stuff. I'm not even gonna open it. Here's your fast charger. And then take a look at the specs. I'm gonna get in here, read that if you want. Certified USB fast charger, 25 watts. This one is the USB C to C charging cable. And that's it in the box. I'm not seeing any headphones. Would have been nice if there were some included headphones here. Anyway, put all that to the side. And then this is the phone. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just undo the plastic wrap. Oh, here it is. Wait, how do I do this? Gotta be careful with the plastic. And then the phone just slides right out. Ooh, nice. Okay, put that to the side. And here it is. Now, one thing I want to do is, I think they have a pre-installed SIM here, which I'm gonna take out. I'm gonna open this up. And then, oh my gosh. It's hard to pull out. That's what she said. And what do you know? There's the SIM. Take that off because I don't want to actually activate this phone yet on my account. Oh my gosh. There we go. Got it back in. And now we'll turn on the phone. And let's go. LG V60 ThinQ, 5G, powered by Android. Take a look at the phone. You got your volume rocker there, and I don't know what this is, some sort of key. Power button right there. On the back, you got your triple camera setup, 5G branding, LG on the bottom, and gotta take this off. We don't want this. Yeah, take this off. Why do manufacturers gotta put decals on their stuff? Annoying. But I gotta say, this white color though, it's very shiny, has a lot of gloss to it. Looks very nice, I gotta say. Very cool looking color here. Got the gold trim on the side. On the bottom you have USB Type-C, a headphone jack. Very nice to see in 2020. Speaker, mic. And then on top you have your SIM tray, another microphone. All right, here we go, setup wizard. We'll just go through this real quick. English, United States, that's where I'm at. Phone activation, we're gonna use Wi-Fi. Next. And then here's the set up the Wi-Fi. I'm gonna go ahead and put my password in. Connected. Click next. Installing updates. All right, I'm gonna let the phone do its thing right now. Got your front-facing camera right there, so you can see the teardrop-ish kind of notch. Or I don't know if you call that a teardrop exactly. Bezels are kind of a little bit on the thick side though. Would have been nice if that was a little bit thinner. And then don't copy on the apps and data. I want a fresh start with this device. Checking info. And then here's the Google sign-in. I'm gonna skip that for now. I just want to get into the phone. Skip, skip. And then I'm gonna uncheck all this. Nope, 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 accept. And then set up fingerprint, why not? Add your fingerprint. And then we'll do a pattern. We'll just go like that. Next, confirm. And then place your finger in the center of the sensor. There it is in display fingerprint scanner. I actually thought it was in the back for some reason. Ha! It's in display. Boom, 100%. Okay, adding finishing touches. And what is this? Location info? Nope, nope, accept. Nope. Okay, what is this? Okay, yeah, skip this. And then, what is this? Okay, yeah, some bloatware. And then, there you go. My Verizon? Yeah, not gonna look into that. And I'm gonna do later on the setup. My gosh, look at this bloatware that Verizon puts on their phones. What is this? Newsbreak, Raid. Okay, you got a Coin Master, Solitaire, Strike Force. Like, what is that? Like, I don't care about that stuff. Smart Family. Yeah. What is this? Nebo. Yeah, too much bloatware on some of these carriers. Again, another one popped up. What is this? Candy Crush. Like, I don't care about that. It's like, come on, Verizon. Too much bloatware on your phones. Anyway. And we are in. All right, let's go into settings. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go to system. And where's the about phone here? About phone. And then here we go, LG V60 ThinQ. And this is Android 10, right? Let's confirm that. Android 10, here's the build number. One step away from being a developer. So you gotta put in your fingerprint. And then go back and that should enable the dev options, I think. System. There it is, developer options. And then here you can tweak your phone if you want. Then go back. You got your Android 10 gestures, as you can see. Now I'm pretty sure in settings you can adjust that to the navigation bar if you want. So which I'm gonna just do a quick search. Navigation bar. And then gestures and buttons only. So rest assured, if you're old school like me, you can have it that way. And matter of fact, I'm gonna leave it like that because I am old school. Now cross that off. And then let's see, let's go to, what was I looking for? Storage, that is right. How much storage do we get out of the box? 128 gig phone, 31 megabytes or 31 gigabytes already in use. 24% of the phone already in use, fresh out of the box. And I don't know about that. Verizon, too much bloatware. It should be a little bit more than that. Oh man, these subsidized phones, I'm telling you. Let's take a look at the camera. This does have a triple camera setup in the back. And what is this? Next, done. And then not gonna turn on locations because nah. And then let's go ahead and just take a picture of whatever. Okay, just whatever's in front of me. And then this is the 2x. Get a little bit closer. And then this is the wide angle, as you can see. I'll put these in the video. Here you can adjust your modes. 4K, here we go. This is what you wanna see, 4K video. Start out with a half X, let's go. All right, this is 4K 30 frames per second video. All right, this is 4K 30 frames per second video. This is the wide angle. 1x, have a look. 2x, get closer to your subject. This is the wide angle. 1x, have a look. 2x, get closer to your subject. Cool, there you go. All right, this is a quick unboxing of the LG V60 ThinQ. Let me know in the comments below what you want me to do with this phone. Speed tests versus Samsung Galaxy S20, iPhone 11 Pro Max, Samsung Galaxy Note 10, upcoming OnePlus 8, etc. Also, do you want me to do some camera comparisons with this phone? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.